Cowboys and the Cleveland Browns. And now welcome to the broadcast booth, everybody. I am Joe Buck. Troy Aikman and Pam Oliver are coming right up. Well, these are two teams who come in with big expectations here in 2008. The Cowboys won 13 games a year ago, but they shot blanks in that playoff game against the New York Giants. A quarterback, he got the new deal, Troy, and for the first time, it's all on him, man. He is their guy.
He is their guy. We had a chance to watch him in practice. He had missed a couple of weeks because of a concussion. He says he looks fine. He looked fine, and I know he's looking forward.